Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can download Glorious Model O software. Now first thing, you just need to search for, I already made this video before but this is a new update. Now you just need to search on Google for Glorious Model O software and then click on enter. Now after that you want to make sure you are downloading this from the official website of Glorious. As you can see, Glorious Gaming, click on legacy software. Now after you are in this page, you just need to scroll down. I'm going to click on accept cookies. Now we're just going to just scroll down. Okay, now don't click on anything here, just scroll down and until you find here Model O, Model Day wired. Now you want to click here where it says Model O, you want to click on it, wired software, click on it, and then you want to wait for a few seconds here, a few seconds, and as you can see, this is the file. You just need to click here on show in folder here, this icon. It's going to take you directly to your files. Now you want to right click on it, and then what you need to do is click on extract all. Now after that you want to click on extract, and this is what you need to do. Now here you will be able to see three folders. Okay, now first you want to click on the first one that says here readme, just to read the instructions here. Okay, so make sure you read everything here. Okay, as you can see, it says here, before running Model O software, please install the fireware update first on update folder. Now that's what you need to do. You want to first click on firewall update and then click on update here, click on install this. As you can see, Glorious Model O. Now if you go back, if you click on software, you will be able to see here the software here. Okay, Glorious software, and then you want to install it. So like I said, just click on readme, read all the instructions, and then after that you will be able to install it on your laptop. Now hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like and see you in the next tutorial.